Still Purse. And when it rains, it pours. It is pouring right now on Michaela Moore. Heartbreaking images.
Nice move here from Andrzejewski, and then the Staub comes in and as she's sliding, that cleat just comes up and hits Andrzejewski.
Foul against Megan Rapinoe. Oh, and then Becca Moros.
What's the title? That's touched back. Now a chance for Devereux. And this is an own goal. Chamberlain puts it off the back heel of Bright, and it's in for Germany.
Australia claiming that's a handball there. Well, it comes off the post. It's called. It's not just one, it's two.
Oj, 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 vad slarvigt. Riktigt slarvigt. Vad händer här då? Nej, nej, nej. Helene Ekedal där i eget mål. Edvard Lundgren också slarvat från början. Men det här får ju inte hända och det är 1-0 för KIF Örebro.
26 seconds in, and then the follow-up from Graham Hansen. Eventually ricocheted in. Oh my goodness me. The worst possible start for Chelsea.
Ja, das war. Das ist die Regel. Rückpass.
Inside is Miedema, took it off a back foot to open up the yard, got the shot away and scores for Arsenal right at the start of the second half. Mary Earps might have been unsighted, but she's...
At this stage, I don't know how many minutes of stoppage there were added because of the cards. So we're flying without a pilot right now as well. And this, between Weaver and Edmonds, bubbling over. Bogarts runs over to Edmonds. The lofted ball over the top is put into the back of her own net by Kim Do-yeon.
Oh, miscue. And Rousseau, is this a hat-trick? It is! Well, goodness me, it's 18. Another hat-trick for England tonight.
Atley brought down. It's Megan Rapinoe! Same as it ever was!
Big player. It's unusual to have such great technique, but always enjoyed playing against her in the past. She was obviously a lot younger than me then. Oh, goodness me! Is this going to be the opening goal? It is! That is absolutely incredible. Manchester City. What a disastrous start.
Frank Kirby makes way. Here is that big summer sign.
To the Brazilian fans, football lovers. Ball in, off the woodwork, and own goal. I dare say it's an own goal, but Germany have two.
Sembrant. Press. Haran. Lovely ball. Morgan. Fabulous goal. Hampton. A bit of a problem getting our match ball back. Stokes on the outside of that thing, but it's a cross back into the middle. Oh, that could go in. It is in. Oh, how cruel is that? Magdalena Eriksson has beat her own goalkeeper.
Carolina's just going to say, hey, come and get it. The ball's in, and they're going to force the Irish to take it away.
45esimo minuto, Milan che questa volta va vicino al gol, adesso si complica la vita. Viene espulsa Baldi. Espulsa Baldi, c'è stato il tocco, dice Giacinti. Andressa è un po' perplessa, Baldi pure, adesso cerchiamo di ricostruire.
Again. It's a good save, oh surely! Oh, how has she missed? That is one of the worst misses I've ever seen, and it's the captain again, Gus.
Nice ball through. It's a loss, and the angle's a little bit tight. She went for goal. Reverse, it's her own